guys, Flawless Exotic Creations, Will, Audra.
Hi.
You guys are watching part 4 of this huge unboxing day. A whole bunch of excitement going around today. This is really cool. A whole bunch of winners for us that came in finally after a long wait. So we're gonna jump right into it. This one is, yes, she loves the tape. Big Country Constrictors, Jason Powers. Love the tape because we use it as well.
Yes, it's
Our Crested Geckos. Go over to Flawless Crested Geckos. Check us out over there.
We do the tape, the label tape. Again, it's just about branding your business, which is really nice. Big Country Constrictors sending us all kinds of stickers, and then we have a handwritten invoice. So what is this?
This is another female. It is a lesser blackhead, 66% het clown. We needed to get some blackhead since it's an old gene, but we didn't have any of it at all. So it's popular now, especially the super blackhead. Just take it up. First later.
Yeah.
Cool.
Lesser blackhead.
66% hat clown. Wow. I like the pattern. It's got good size on it.
I like it when they It's just pretty.
Very. Lesser blackhead, female, 66% hat clown. I like her sides. Like almost like a granite type sides on the sidewall.
Yeah. And she came with newspaper and stuff in her box.
Came packaged up very well. Let me tie her up. Come up out of here before it's time.
Yeah.
So many boxes.
It was funny because at the FedEx place, the guy already knew. He saw us through the window and he brought them out.
This one is John Van Larhoven. I gotta look that one up. From Virginia. Next up, let's go.
Let's see. Oh, we have a invoice. This is Precision Pythons, and this is a proven 2018 Red Stripe Clown male.
That's right.
It says it was produced by Canova.
Yes,
Oh,
our
this
first
is cool.
Canova.
This is the very first refrigerator magnet business card. That's cool.
Marketing, guys, marketing.
So important. So yeah, there you go. Invoice.
So this is another male that we added, produced by Canova. Justin, our first Justin snake.
We have a good package here.
Packed very well. Wow. Big mouth. Holy crap. He taped it off very well.
Yeah. I don't know where to put this.
So yeah, a huge knot in it, plus tape.
Yep.
You're right.
Yeah. Good. I'm good.
Big male,
Good boy.
red striped clown male. Wow. Yes. So we want to get some red stripe, and we had a chance and opportunity to snag one up that not only was red stripe but a visual clown male.
Yeah, I see it. I was looking at the.
And
Looks like a heart almost.
red stripe is huge right now. We want to see, we want to tap into some of the potential with some of the stuff that we're working with. I don't know, maybe get into red stripe monsoon or red stripe stranger or something like that. So,
He was resting his noggin on my hand. Yeah.
there we go. Big balled up red stripe clown male. Proven. He'll be rolling for us hopefully this end of this year. Let's see if he cooperates. Little bitty bitty bag. I don't know how he got him in here.
He looks like he might just slither his way right in there. Gonna do it, dude? He's like, yes.
You let go. If you let go.
I thought I was supposed to.
No, but we'll figure it out.
I didn't want to be in the way.
Baby, you're never in the way.
Oh, whatever. You shut up.
So that's the big male. Great addition.
Here, I got his box.
And the last package. The last package. A good buddy of ours, he did us a huge favor. Huge favor. You gotta look out for your guys in the hobby. This is from Sloan Morse. Darren. I talk to him pretty much on a daily.
I've even started talking to him after his conversations.
He's a huge influence in what we have going on, even though he's a tiny man.
Cat giving that man a hard time.
Yeah, hey, he be threatening me though, so he always tell me the 5'2" crew is coming after me.
Hey, he's already got an operative over here.
He's got a secret spy over here. She's 4'11" and mean.
I'm 4'11".
4'11" and mean.
I'm taller than 4'11". Look, 5'2" with a 6'4" attitude.
Well, go check him out, Sloan Morse.
Sloan Morse.
Darren. He's also working with the crested geckos. He has a bunch of crested geckos from us as well.
Yes, he does.
Now we have actually a ball python from him. He also helped us out. We had another purchase out there in California. That's where he's located, where we picked up a great addition to what we needed. We picked up a pastel spot nose lesser hypo possible het desert ghost female. When he got her, she was right at 800 grams for us.
Oh,
And he was feeding her, taking care of her the whole 9 yards. Oh, look
he's
at
got
that.
his state of
Sloan-
California.
Yeah, Sloan Morris. Go check him out. Great guy. And he fed her so well that she's over 1,000 grams now after like two and a half months.
We have a crowd of that.
So he packed with the cryo pack coming from out there in California where it's nice and hot at. And we also picked up a super bamboo female from him that he produced. But go check him out. And he's doing it big also with a lot of high-end crested geckos. This is gonna be the female picked up for us.
He's got stuff in here so they don't roll about.
Packaged very well. Just right there. She is beautiful.
Oh, she's gorgeous.
Wow. And he sent me a video of her eating her food response, her feed responses. Insane.
That's a super bamboo, correct?
No.
No. What is this?
1 second, I'll read it off. Time to wish.
I don't got mine. I don't know these things. You'll have to forgive me.
So that one is, once again, the pastel spot nose lesser hypo possible het desert ghost.
Oh yeah, I was totally off. Totally.
And this next one we're opening up is actually from Darren. Produced by Darren at Sloan Morris. This is the Super Bamboo.
This is the way to do
So
it.
it's an all white snake. We're excited about it because everything that she will produce from us will be bamboo. As you probably can tell with the Super Sentinels and stuff like that, we love working with the super versions of codons, as it will always pass at least one gene, that gene from that snake. Wow. All white. She's beautiful. Wow. Holy crap. Yep, so all white snake, but powerful for what we're going to use it for. We may do, I'm not sure, maybe a bamboo monsoon, maybe a bamboo voodoo, maybe a combination of the two,
Hi, pretty.
maybe a bamboo stranger. Haven't seen those yet. So we're super excited about that, about working with it. He's extremely easy to work with. Again, I talk to him on a daily. Really good guy. Huge in the business, huge in the hobby, but small in stature. So I know it's gonna be cracking up at this video, but we wanted you guys to see all this unboxing. This is the end, the conclusion of part 4. We've had a blast. Please subscribe, follow our journey.
It's Christmas in South Carolina.
Yes, it is, even though it's hot and we got hoodies on. But you want some of these cool hoodies, you want to sport some new swag, go check us out, Flawless Crested Geckos. That's our main channel as well.
Yep, these are our hoodies.
Those are our hoodies.
We have t-shirts and bags and
Yes.
keychains and air fresheners and all kinds of goodies.
So follow us. We try to give content every single week, or at least we have a bunch of videos recorded. So we're going to be dropping them time after time after time again. And we appreciate you guys. So again, anything you want to see, anything you want to comment on, let us know how you feel about our content, our videos. And we're going to keep it rolling. And
Remember,
we appreciate you guys.
we're beginners at this. So if you got any good tips or anything like that for us, let us know.
That's right. But it's Will and Audra signing out, Flawless Exotic Creations. Thank you guys.